So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use lock on feature on CapCut. So first you have the video which you would like to apply lock on feature on. So the first thing you need to know that this used to be named lock on feature, but now it's camera tracking. So you need to click on the video, you need to go to video, then basic, and just scroll down to camera tracking. This is available in the pro version. You can try this out by clicking on the link in the description below and starting a free trial of the CapCut Pro. So here you can either choose face, body, hand, or custom tracking. So we're gonna choose the body tracking, and you can choose which body you would like to track. And now we want to track this body. We're just gonna click start, and now it's gonna be processing for a while. Here you can choose how much shake you want. You can also choose this fit to canvas size, and so you can also choose a blur canvas. And what this is gonna do is that sometimes if the camera is shaking or moving too much, the canvas is gonna be visible, and you can choose to blur the canvas so it's not black. You can also choose fit to canvas. Alright, so all in all, this is how you use lock on feature on CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.